MyLink Radio has 3 sets of physical controls. The first 2 sets, the touch-sensitive screen and the buttons on the faceplate of the center stack, are redundant. Everything you can control on screen can be controlled by a button on the faceplate. The third set, the steering wheel controls, activate voice commands and control the most commonly used audio features. Let's begin with a look at the screen controls, starting with those that are the same on every screen. First, look along the top perimeter, and you'll see Back, which returns you to the previous page or level. Home, which returns you to the home page and source icons. And Favorites. This button displays pages of favorite radio stations at the bottom of the screen. The small icons in the upper right-hand corner of the screen are called status icons. They're not touch-sensitive. They stay ghosted back until their source is in use, at which point they change color. Now, look along the bottom perimeter. The buttons that appear here, Previous and Next, allow you to move among the home pages. Also, you'll see the Menu button, which takes you to the Home Page menu. The Home Page is a good place to start anything you want to do. Here, you'll find the icons that correspond to the radio's key functions. As many as 8 icons may appear on a single home page. If you subscribe to Sirius XM Radio Travel Link, you'll see icons for movies, fuel, and weather. Let's look a little deeper at the Configure icon, which takes you to several important options, like languages, time and date, radio settings, phone settings, display setting, and vehicle settings. Vehicle settings is another important area. This is where you'd go to personalize features to your preference. Features like lighting, power door locks, and remote lock, unlock, start. Moving to the faceplate buttons, you see the redundancy with the touchscreen. The configuration of these buttons will vary from radio to radio, so make sure you see the owner's manuals for differences and complete details. The buttons include Favorites, Source, Seek, Mute, Phone, Home, Back, Information, Time and Date, Tone, Eject, Configure, and Play Pause. The steering wheel controls operate a limited number of audio features. The Push-to-Talk button allows you to activate voice commands or answer a phone call. The End Call Mute button ends or rejects a phone call or mutes the vehicle speakers. Pressing Source allows you to select an active audio source, and then you can toggle it up or down with the thumb wheel to go to the next or previous station, track, or favorite. Finally, you can press the plus or minus to increase or decrease the audio volume while you keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road.